Well, while we're not cool out there or cold as we were, we're still cooler than we were 24 hours ago. There's just tongue-tying you there. 7 degrees cooler, as a matter of fact, than we were 24 hours ago. Jackson at 11. And of course, really, this isn't a huge change out there. It's not like what we saw with the last cold front that brought us the Arctic air, where we saw temperature changes 20 to 30 degrees in 24 hours. This is only about 10 degrees. And the reason why, well, most of the cold air is staying bottled up into the plains. And you notice with the cold front here that we went from yellow to yellow on the map there. Really not cold air. This is more dry air than anything. Some cooler air will filter in for the day tomorrow, but we'll start warming back up because high pressure system well up into the Mountain West is actually going to be moving westward or eastward, and as that happens, we'll still stay warm across the south and east. So that's the good news across the areas, that we stay warm. And that cold front gone, you don't see the next storm system just yet, but it will be moving on to the Pacific coast here in the next couple of days. So what does that mean tomorrow? Mostly sunny skies and beautiful conditions throughout the day. Partly sunny as we go into Wednesday, and then Thursday, another beautiful day on the way. Temperatures will be near the seasonable average. We'll be right around 60 degrees as opposed to 72, but still beautiful for this time of year. Cannot argue with the temperatures, and really we're thankful thanks to all of the cold air we've had. Now that cold front continues to move east tomorrow in cooler conditions, but really just seasonable. As we look ahead, notice big warm up again ahead of another cold front that we'll be working in. This is our next system. We'll combine with that, and it will bring us some cooler conditions, but really back to the seasonable average once again. It doesn't look like until we get into February that we're going to see a real shot of cold air coming back, and unfortunately the long-term signals look like that February might be very cold, just as the beginning of January was. So we'll have to watch that rather closely. Our forecast lows out there tonight around 41 degrees, so cooler than last night, but still not cold. 62 for the daytime highs tomorrow, mostly sunny skies, and our extended forecast, we'll say the next 3 days still quite nice. 62 for Tuesday, 59 on Wednesday, and 61 for Thursday. So we check out the rest of our 7-day. See, we're warming all the way back up into the mid-60s by Saturday and Sunday, and then that cold front comes in, and relatively the same as what happened today. We cool back off to near our seasonable average. And again, it looks like we stay nice through the end of January, but February comes around and might bring us the colder temperatures back once again.
Don't say it.
So,
no.
Spring, we'll taste the spring here, but
put that into
spring
the
isn't here yet.
Don't say, as long as he's not saying snow.
Well, way too far away from that.
Good.
We're talking about the return of cold potentially.
Right. No more snow the rest of winter, right? The rest of the year.
We'll see.
Keep it out.
Fingers crossed.
Thanks.